Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this outfit for streetwear theme in Dresden Press for free without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to show you the items I'm wearing to create this outfit. Okay, the first one, you can choose this hairstyle and also this bang, and you're going to apply this brown color. And the next one, I'm going to go to this area and I'm going to wear this top, this one, and I'm going to color it with, I'm going to apply the pattern. Wait, I'm going to apply this pattern. Okay, now let's move to the next area. Choose the sleeves and you're going to apply the same pattern. Alright, and then I'm going to go to this area and choose this one, apply same pattern, and I'm going to select the butterfly top. Again, just apply the same pattern, and I'm going to change the toggle to classic. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to the jeans area, which is right here, this one, and then I'm going to select this jeans and change the toggle to pockets, and I'm going to apply this color, this one, and make it denim. Okay, just like this, and then I'm going to go to the shoes area. It's right here guys. I'm going to choose this shoe and apply this white color for the first selection, and for the next selection color we're going to make it this gray color. Okay, and I'm going to go to the necklace area. It's right here, and I'm going to choose this belly ring. Okay, and for the belly ring, I'm going to color it with this color for the second selection, and choose this bag as well, and I'm going to make it this color. Okay, and I'm going to go to this area, choose this hat, and we're going to select no ear and apply the same pattern. Alright, and choose this one as well, color it with the gray color, this one, for the first selection, and for the next selection I'm just going to color it the same. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the sunglasses. Okay, it's here, and then I'm going to apply this color for the frame, and I'm going to put on one more accessory. It's here, and I'm going to apply this color. Sorry guys, for the jeans, you're going to color it with this color. Sorry, you're going to color it with this color. You can click on this color to make it like this, and for the material you can make it denim. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.